Okay, so I come now to my per traffic acceleration formula. So the idea is to think in terms of audiences. You see my little drawing here. There's the first circle that's very hot, the second circle that's less hot, third circle, and fourth circle. So if you think about that, your first circle is your actual client. So for example, your actual client at this step, what you need to do is to increase lifetime value. So what would you do here? You can make cross-sells and upsells and use your advertisement budget there will be super interesting. When you master that, because the problem of that is it's very few, because it's few clients, it's not like everybody. So you will do that really fast. And then the second step is go for the leads. Now you want to you want to target the leads to become clients. You want to make them go into the first circle. So in the second circle, that's warm prospect. You can convert them. You can use VSL, so video sales letters. You can do reviews. You can do promo. You can do fast action bonuses and stuff like that. Well, something that will help them be your clients. Okay, and you put your advertisement budget on converting videos, like sales videos, you know, like paid, like sales pages, etc., driving traffic to sales pages, etc. Okay. So now it's your lead. Now, before your lead, they were your visitors. Okay. So here the idea is to become a lead, you know, and then become a client. So the visitors, here you can use lead magnets. So basically, landing pages with a promise on top. It could be a webinar, a report, or something like that, and then an opt-in email. So they put their email, and you collect their email at this stage. You can do also here a lot of articles, a lot of videos, webinars, etc., to create a database of prospects that you can use everywhere else. Okay. So, and the last step that's not very used right now, and because it's the broader one, the most difficult to get a return on investment on, but the most massive at the same time. And here is the idea to let them become a visitor. So they're in their world on YouTube, checking clip video or tutorials or anything, or they're on Facebook watching what their friends are doing, or just watching and losing time. And so they are in their universe. And your objective here is to bring them on your website, on a landing page, on a specific article, on a specific video, on your properties, on your online properties. Because at this moment, the Facebook pixel, the YouTube pixel, etc., will fire up and they will tag them as, okay, now they start to be warm. Just the beginning. They were cold, they're a little warmer. They're a little warmer, and they become hot and they become hard. So the idea is to really think about your environment with that and put your effort from the very hot to the very cold. And a winning strategy here is to, at each level, to exclude the previous one. For example, when you target your leads to become clients, you exclude from this campaign, you exclude the clients. So you talk specifically to the prospect to become a client, all right? So the idea is to, when you go to the visitor, you exclude the clients and the leads. Well, if you exclude the leads, you already normally exclude the clients, but that's another stuff. So the idea is that concentrate on what's warm and hot and go to the cold.